First of all, thank you so much for having me here. Jassper Shipping is particularly into ship broking and project shipments. So we handle a lot of steel shipments for our clients, and that's how we got interested and we got an understanding of what stainless steel brings to the shipping industry. And when we talk about shipping industry, the stainless steel has been a major participant as a product, as a component of the ship manufacturing, the shipbuilding industry. Now, of course, the cost part is something that makes most of the owners and the shipbuilding companies worried. But then, along with that, comes the durability part of it, the resistance part of it, and the aesthetic appeal. So, these are the things that have been in the role that the shipping industry has been enjoying from stainless steel. Now, the holes, the anchors, the hull, not the complete hull, but the majority of the hull component is being made with stainless steel. So yes, there is a lot of progress on stainless steel and usage of stainless steel. Not particularly, because I have not got into the details of stainless steel because we are not part of the shipbuilding industry. We are as one of the users of vessels that have used stainless steel in their shipbuilding. So not understanding which kind of stainless steel is used, but yeah, in totality, stainless steel as a whole is what we understand. Yeah, definitely, because see, if we compare it with any other the kind of material that has been used, the corrosion resistance that stainless steel brings definitely makes the vessels last longer, and the reason, because of the corrosion resistance, the durability is impacted, and hence it's automatically useful for the industry. And then the recyclability part of it. So definitely, it's one of the best materials that comes to the forefront. Now it is also light, of course, when compared to aluminum and other composites. It's a bit heavier, but in totality, if we compare it with the whole shipbuilding materials that are being used, stainless steel is definitely even light when compared to them. So yes. Yes, of course. Stainless steel will become one of the major materials that would be used. It is already being used, and even more moving ahead. There are a few things that would have to be discovered by our industry. One would be the weight, then its heat resistance, the conductivity, the thermal conductivity part of it. So there are few concerns which, over time, as we use and as the industry digs deeper, we'll be able to discover the solutions to the concerns that we have. But yes, stainless steel moving ahead is one of the most important materials that would be used. Yes, these are definitely the challenges that we face, and the biggest challenge over here is the high initial cost, because initially, when the ship is put into the process of the shipbuilding process starts, if the cost is very high, it becomes very difficult for owners to overcome that cost and bring the final output to the market. So they are limiting the usage of stainless steel. They are not using it at all the places. They're using it at only the necessity, wherever the necessity is. And they're still going with the old solutions that they had, the old materials that they have at their disposal. So these are definitely the challenges, like I mentioned. Uh, there is very less usage in the piping system, the pipes that are being used within the uh, ship. So because of the thermal conductivity issues, so it's a very limited usage as of now. But moving ahead, I think the usage will get better, the piping and the engine compartments itself. Like I mentioned previously, the resistance, the heat resistance that it has,
Yeah.
the hardening material that it is, it becomes very easy for stainless steel to get comfortable with the varied temperatures and the harsh conditions. That's why it has become as one of the major material being used in hull construction. Hull, become is one of the most, would you say, It's exposed to the most harsh conditions in the sea, and it needs to be the strongest. That's why stainless steel is being used in hulls. Not the complete hull, of course, but yeah, the major part of hulls are now being made of stainless steel. So Jasper Shipping at present is, like I mentioned before, it's into ship broking and freight forwarding, and we are associated with 100 plus vessel owners and operators who have their own fleet. So at present, we do the commercial handling for them. Moving ahead, we are definitely looking at expanding our asset base and getting into the fleets ourselves as well. But that's in the near future, at least about 3 to 5 years ahead. That's our future goal, future objective that we're looking at. We are focusing on agriculture, India being agriculture-based country. That's our major focus area. Then we have a lot of our clients from iron ore and coal industry, steel, heavy machineries. So these are few industries we focus on. China is one of our biggest partners. China, Middle East, the Middle Eastern countries, West African countries, and few countries in the Med region are also. Uh, we have our clients there. So I head Jasper Shipping as the CEO of this company, and my role is to make sure that all divisions function well and they have what all they need. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Anmol.